Ku belai biang epi baru session te hakani video ko mentang in le mno in solve part iki question number 78 79 kum ta ter jongka arithmetic progression. Okay. The question number 78, the missing term in the box of the AP is dash 13 dash 3 and so on. Okay. In what iki te ba ja first term and the third term. Okay. Hang ni this is A1. Okay, and this is A3, number A1, A2, A3, A4. Okay, kumno ngin yo ban wat you A1 and you A3. If you know the first term and if you know the common difference. Lala pidon kini artali kamut kansuk epi bapinwat. And A1 it is nothing but this itself. So hang ni hing la yo ka juba. So ngin haban wat you A but you D. Hagani ka question. Okay. So that implies first term be equal to A1. Okay. Nang ta second term means thought be direct A2 is equal to 13. Okay. And then A3 is the missing term, and then means thought be direct A4 is equal to 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. So that implies AP formula is equal to A plus N minus 1 D. This is the formula. Okay. Tingin lem no ngin hap wat you. Kan ma bha ngin hap wat you A and then you D. Si sen bang la yo ikini artli ngin salaban wat you A1 and A3. Okay. So that implies ngin shim yo first the second term 13. Okay. So ngin shim A2 is equal to 13. So that implies ngin use the formula kin. Okay. Else ngin pendam hang ni ngin thoi ka formula hang ni ken. Okay, kan ni ka formula. So that implies A2 is equal to 13, correct? So ngin shimang ni 13 is equal to A, that is missing. So ngin thoi with A plus menta N. They term second term. So ngin thoi 2 minus 1. D ru ngim tebra. Okay. So then you solve by in your 13 is equal to A. 2 minus 1 is 1. So A plus D. Okay. So you keep this as the first equation. Okay. Next, there similarly, you use the formula in A4. Okay. Now that implies A4. Again, this must be equal to this again. So mentahang ning lem no ngin bulut baru ki values jong A4 jong A4 but jong kini. So A4 it is 3. Okay. So 3 is equal to A ngimpat yora nang tau N. This is the fourth term, correct? So this is 4 minus 1 D. Okay. Ngan ta kampenret kendiat kani. So this is 3 equals to A plus 4 minus 1 day 3, so 3D. So we keep this as the second equation. Te pindapit pahang ni ngidan artli variables bangi hapwat utaw de A and D. And lada pila dapat ya ka video jong ka linear equation in two variable kan sasuk bahaban solve. Okay, we have three methods to find the values. Kawai ka day through graph, second is through substitution method, and the third one is through elimination method. Te hang ne ngin use da ka elimination method. Tengin dapat ka first equation and second equation kamsuk ban eliminate you A. So we subtract away A kan. Okay, ta kamut this equation minus not this. So ngan thong ne subtract equation 2 from 1. Okay, ngin shim ka equation 2 na equation 1. Why? You have to look at this value again. Nearly 13, nearly 3. So 13 minus 3, it's better than 3 minus 13. Okay, ngin arrange kum takin. So ngan shim ya kani equation. Ngan lihat nak shani. So spek tu nang ta bat kani. Itu artinya in lihat menungin subtract. And kan ma bah por ba phi subtract baro phi di ban bu ba po bracket kum tu. And then this negative sign outside the bracket. So plus into minus, this is minus, and this is also minus. Mentang inum pechu itu sign cepo in penyo ni hajrong. Lada pim so tho pengan batai ma. Uni ni di plus. So minus into plus, minus. Next, plus hang ni. So plus into minus, minus. Next, plus into minus, minus. Okay. So 13 minus not 3, we get 10. Next, a minus a, we cancel out. Okay. And then plus d minus 3. So kadai minus kat no, minus 2d. Okay. And then we switch place. Kadai kum 2. Then that implies d is equal to 10 by minus 2. 2 minus mau ba ulak ban poi sejrong. Okay. So therefore d is equal to minus 5. So you d ni lah yo. Okay. Now can you find out a? Yes. Buat baik ni d ha kano equation. Let's say buat ha equation 1. Okay. So that implies ngin equation 1. So a plus d is equal to 13. Then that implies a plus minus 5 buat apa bracket is equal to 13. And solve hang ni, so a kan long minus 5 equals to 13. A is equal to 13 plus 5. So therefore a day kat no, day 18. So the first term is 18. Okay, artli ki 18. Hang ni but hang ni. Okay, now let's find out a3. So a3 kadai ka. Okay, a3. So that implies a3. Pinda use the formula pin your a plus 2d. So that implies ngin use bit akan ni a3 is equal to 18 plus 2 into minus 5. So in your 18, they multiply show you sign. So plus into minus, they minus, 2 5s is 10. So let us subtract 18 minus 10, your 8. So therefore, a3 is nothing but 8. So ka answer kan day option A. Okay? Anget langsung thuk kat tu. So tapi kwa ban copy, suppose and then copy ma. And clear, and then we will solve question number 79. If k, 2k minus 1, k plus 4 are 3 consecutive terms of an AP, then the value of k is, so ngin haban what your value of k. So hang ni what we can do is ngin given, okay, a1 is nothing but k, okay, and then a2 there, it is 2k minus 1, and then a3 it is k plus 4. Okay, and then we have to find the value of k. So it means we have to find the value of a1. Okay, so now what we have to do is first find d again. Common difference. Isn't it a2 minus a1? Okay, so a2 day 2k minus 1 minus k. So pinhapan bu apa bracket kumtu. Okay. So hakan ni ngin yo 2k minus 1 minus k. So 2k minus k, it is nothing but k, correct? So correct k minus 1. And then next in what yang you d mentan ngishim this minus this, correct? Next pring ngishim no a3 minus a2 kan. Okay. Now as they have already said, they are in AP. The common difference must be the same. Okay. So hang ni a3 day k plus 4 minus a2 day 2k minus 1. Okay. So ngin solve ya kan ni ngin yo k plus 4 minus 2k plus 1. Balik ngayo plus 1 namar minus into minus they plus. Okay. So that implies k minus not 2k, isn't it minus k? Okay. Nang ta plus 4 or plus 1, it is nothing but plus 5. Okay. So this is the second one. So that implies since the terms are in AP, okay, so therefore D is equal to D. Okay. Let's say ni I kerteng not D1 kan ni I D2. So D1 is equal to D2. So that implies namar balik the common difference should be the same. Okay. Then in shim you need D1, which is k minus 1 is equal to minus k plus 5. Okay, that implies in shift new case here, so this will be k plus k, correct? And then ladang shift unia siya type there, kan long 5 plus 1. Okay, so k plus k, they 2k, and then it is equal to 6. So that implies k is equal to 6 by 2. Therefore, the value of k is 3. And that is your answer. Option B is the correct answer. Question number 80. If 5n plus 3 is the nth term of an AP, then the common difference, we have what? A common difference. Okay. Pinapit bahang ni, if this is the nth term, so that implies in I an is equal to 5n plus 3. Okay. Then we have to find the common difference. So that implies the common difference is equal to d. We keep it as d. Okay. The bahang ni an, correct? So how do we find d? Kung what you common difference? Isn't it the next term minus the first term? So let's say contain a2 minus a1 or a3 minus a2 or a4 minus a3. Kumta. Okay. So hang ni ngin use new a as in a2 ya ngin use do new an ken. Okay. Shwai kataru. Let's say ni a2 day an or let's say ni a1 day an. So ngin shim hang ni an. Then what about a2? Come day an plus 1. Kaday na come day. Okay, kaday. And then similarly hang ni in the shim uni let's say ni day an plus 1, the hang ni come day an plus 2. Okay, tangin hap solve kum taken. So ngin pet ray a3 kini ngin pet tang ni the first one. So man pensuk epi ngan subuk kabuk to a2 minus a1. So ngan thok pat kan ni. D is equal to an plus 1 minus an. Okay, hakajaka jong 1 picture beriu n. So kumnong in your 2, mday 1 plus 1. So 1 plus 1. Kum taken. Okay, so hang ni pada ng layo tang. Ngin dapat bang ni yo tang yu ni. What about an plus 1? Tingin lem no? Ngin shu change beken. Okay. Hakajaka jong n ngin bu n plus 1. Picture about uni uday bed n again. Okay, so an plus 1 it is nothing but ngin use rakaju ngin switch hakajaka jong n ngin use no n plus 1 kan ngin bu untuk apa bracket. So kan day 5 n plus 1 plus 3. Okay, tada kwa ngin bu kan equation 1 kan ngin bu equation 2. Fine, tetu ngila yo. And then ngin bu pet d, isn't it an plus 1 minus an? So come this minus this kan. Okay, so that implies d is equal to pet an plus 1. An plus 1 kaya gani, so ngin simplify gani. 5n plus 1 plus 3, then minus a of n gani. Ngin bu baro apo bracket. Keep that in mind. Mo namar babalay. It is a negative sign, so we always have to put the numbers inside the bracket. Kanang bang inyo aban solve yung negative, laning in multiply yung negative, haman laki terms. Okay. So next, this is 5n plus 5, and then plus 3, then minus 5n minus 3. Okay. Then d is equal to, now 5n minus 5n. Pila n man cancel. Okay. So 5n minus 5n, it's nothing but 0. Then menta 5 plus 3, it is 8. Then 8 minus 3, piyo kan no? 5. So the answer is option C. Next question, 81. The first three terms of an AP if an is equal to, need small n mo. An is equal to 2n plus 1. So again, hang niru kan sok bahakaday. A of n is equal to 2n plus 5. So first term, isn't it a1? Kamut value of n is 1. Okay. So dan implies ngin use no akan ya. Okay. So you should have it dan implies a1 is equal to kani hang ni ngin switch. So this is nothing but 2 into 1 plus 5 here. So this is nothing but 2 plus 5 and that is 7. That is your first term. Okay. And then the second term, Second term they A2. Okay. So hang ni in place of n ngin bu na do 2. Hang ni ngin bu do 2. So A2 is equal to 2 into 2 then plus 5. Okay. So we have 4 plus 5 and then that is 9. Okay. Next, the third term, actually nang ni reply yo ai ka answer, pindapat ka ditang option C hi, ngin pendapat. So third term is equal to A3 and then A3 hakajaka jong n baro ngibu binado 3. Okay, so 2 3 is 6 plus 5 and that gives you 11. So the option is, or answer is option C. Okay, I hope you are clear. Okay, then in solve question number 82 menta, the sum of first n natural number is, okay, te akan ni in have use the formula, okay. Formula jong sum kandai kumno, kandai n by 2, okay, then 2a plus n minus 1 d. Tang ni kiong pada the sum of first n natural numbers. And then what natural numbers start? Ki natural numbers? Natural numbers are those numbers that starts from 1 and so on, correct? Okay. The hang ni pindapat a is nothing but 1. Okay. And then common difference, again they 1. Number 5 minus 4, 1. 4 minus 3, 1. 3 minus 2, 1. Okay. So for an, so sum of an, mo kamot n term. So actually ngim ju ong show do a, number a represents the term, so ngi ong na do a, do s, ng thought na do s. So ang thought sn is equal to n by 2, okay? And then 2 into, kajaka jong a ngi shim na 1 plus n minus 1, kajaka jong d ru ngi shim na 1. Okay, so kani kandai n by 2 nang tahap bracket in the solve 2 into 1 it is nothing but 2, okay, plus n minus 1, okay, into 1 it is nothing but the same. Tapi dapat part habar udan plus, so you can remove the bracket. Tambah ladai badai u minus pin hapan multiply u minus, okay. So kani kalau kum tu for the time being ngan lem no ngan bo by new bracket, okay, ban like confused. So kani kandai n by 2 into hang ni pada 2 plus n minus 1. So 1 minus 1 or 2 minus 1 day 1. So this is nothing but 1 plus n. Kumto. Okay. So in multiply numerator hi sajrong denominator unsah po. Te kani kandai n pet n into 1 distributive method. Okay. So n into 1 day n nang ta plus n into n day n square. So answer day n plus n square by 2 or pilaban shimbit common shabar mo. Okay, you can simply write this kumto by 2. Okay, so answer baro ar ka day tapi napet nang ni p order ni. Okay, so correct answer day option A. Okay,